In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set multiple take profits on TradingView. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to plan and visualize multiple targets on your chart, so you can manage your trades more precisely and with less stress. First, open TradingView and load the chart of the market you want to trade. This could be a forex pair, a cryptocurrency, a stock, or an index. Make sure you're on the time frame you actually plan to trade, whether that's the 5-minute, 1 hour, or daily chart. This helps keep your take profit levels relevant to your strategy. Next, you'll want to choose the appropriate trading tool. On the left-hand toolbar, look for the long position tool if you're planning a buy trade, or the short position tool if you're planning a sell trade. Click on the tool, then click once on your chart where you expect to enter the trade. TradingView will automatically create a position box showing an entry level, a stop loss, and a single take profit. Now we're going to turn that single take profit into multiple targets. Start by adjusting your main take profit level. Click and drag the take profit line up or down until it matches your first target. This first level is often your most conservative target, where you might secure some early profits. To create additional take profit levels, you'll use horizontal lines. From the drawing toolbar, select the horizontal line tool, then click on the chart at the price where you want your second take profit to be. Repeat this process for your third target, or however many take profits your strategy uses. These horizontal lines serve as clear visual markers for your exit points. To keep things organized, you can customize each line. Double-click a horizontal line to open its settings. Here, you can change the color, thickness, and even rename it to something like TP1, TP2, or Final Target. Using different colors for each target can help you quickly see which level you're approaching in real time. Once all your take profits are marked, zoom out slightly to check that everything makes sense within the broader market structure. Make sure your targets are aligned with key support and resistance levels, recent highs and lows, or any other confluences you rely on. Finally, remember that these tools on TradingView are for planning and visualization. You'll still need to place your actual orders with your broker or exchange, manually or through an integration, and match them to the levels you've drawn on your chart. This way, when price reaches each take profit line, your plan is already in place and you're not making rushed decisions in the heat of the moment.